Today is the fruit soaking ceremony on Amceebakes. I'll be sharing a lot of tips and tricks on how to soak your fruits properly for a delicious plum cake. So let's get on with it.
First, we'll be taking some dried apricots and chop it into small pieces. This is the size we're looking at. Next, we'll be taking a mix of cranberry and blueberry, but we don't need to chop it as the size is just perfect. Our third fruit is some raisins, and since the size is very small, we don't need to chop this as well. Next, we'll be taking some dates, and since its size is bigger, we'll have to chop this. Then we have some Tutti Frutti, and this will add a beautiful color to our cake. Our last component of fruits is some figs, and we'll chop this into small pieces. In a large bowl, we'll be adding all the fruits and mix it well. Next, we'll be transferring our fruits into a glass container. Please make sure that you do not use plastic or metal container as the alcohol might react with it. Now we'll be pouring 3 cups of rum into the glass container. If you don't have rum, you can also use brandy or red wine. In case you want to avoid using any alcohol, you can use apple juice, orange juice or grape juice instead of rum. But remember, if you use any fruit juice instead of rum, you have to soak your fruits just a day before you plan to bake. Make sure that all the fruits are well submerged into the rum. Also give a good stir to the fruits till the day you use them, as that will ensure that all the fruits are soaked thoroughly. After stirring, we'll cover the container with a lid. And look at this colorful delight.
Remember, the longer you soak your fruits in rum or any other alcohol, the better. However, if you want to avoid alcohol and are using a fruit juice, then it's sufficient to soak your fruits just a day before you plan to bake. If you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you try this recipe out, do let me know in the comment section how you liked it. Until next time.